You connect to Wi-Fi and instantly your phone has internet. No wires, no cables. But here is the crazy part. Wi-Fi is literally invisible waves moving through the air. So how does your data travel through walls and reach your device in milliseconds? First, let's break a myth. Wi-Fi is not magic internet in the air. Wi-Fi is actually a type of electromagnetic wave, just like radio waves. Think of it like this. Your router is constantly broadcasting signal in all directions like a light bulb. But instead of light, it sends data. These signals carry information between your phone, your laptop, and your router. Your router is the middleman between your device and the internet. Here is what's happening. 1. Your router is connected to the internet through a cable. 2. It receives data from the internet. 3. Then it converts that data into wireless signals. So instead of plugging a cable into your phone, Wi-Fi lets your phone talk to the router wirelessly. Communication goes both ways. When you open a website, your phone sends a request to the router. The router sends it to the internet, then brings back the response. But here is the key. This communication happens using radio frequencies. Wi-Fi typically uses 2.4 GHz, longer range, slower. 5 GHz, faster, shorter range. That's why sometimes your Wi-Fi is fast and sometimes it's weak in another room. Now here is where it gets interesting. All the data you send, videos, messages, websites, is turned into binary code. That's just zeros and ones. Your router encodes this binary data into radio waves. So instead of sending actual text or images, it sends patterns of signals that your device can decode back into real information. Just like the internet, Wi-Fi doesn't send data in one big chunk. Instead, data is broken into small pieces called packets. Each packet travels through the air to your device. Your device then receives the packets, reassembles them, and displays the final results. That's how a YouTube video loads smoothly, even though it arrives in thousands of tiny pieces. So if Wi-Fi is so fast, why does it sometimes slow down? There are 3 main reasons. 1. Distance. The farther you are from the router, the weaker the signal. 2. Obstacles. Walls, furniture, and even people can block signals. 3. Interference. Other device uses the same frequency can cause congestion. Think of it like trying to talk in a noisy room. The more noise, the harder it is to hear clearly. So here is how Wi-Fi works in simple terms. Your router connects to the internet. It converts data into wireless signals. Your device receives those signals. Data is decoded and displayed, all happening in milliseconds. If you enjoyed this and finally understand how Wi-Fi works, make sure to subscribe for more simple tech explanation and tell me in the comments, what should I explain next? Maybe how hackers hack, how AI works, or how apps are built. Your idea might be the next video.